Alright guys, we're playing the Bao Zhu Zhao Fu firecracker game. I got $20 in, we're doing 5-cent denom. Let's see how this goes.
That's nasty.
And I lost everything. I lost the 20, I lost the house, I lost the keys, I lost the kids, I lost everything. I can't even do another spin. Let's go down to 2 cent. See if I can get something here. What's this one at? Oh, I'm still a cent short. That's unfortunate. Alright. That's it then. Cashing out for today, guys. Have a good rest of your night. We'll try again next time.